Gonna be changing out the old power steering pump to a new one. Main reasons for that is, if I take that off, I bought a kit and this one does not have the bolt. I'm not actually sure what style pump it was. I just made it work on the old one. But the new kit, you're supposed to use one with a stud. So I ended up buying a refurbished pump that I hope will work. This is the new pump. See, it's got the hole in it. And it's a keyed sprocket instead of a press like the other one. Well, let's see if we can get this on. I didn't mention that this had the stud. So you can run the stud or you can run a bolt. And the kit requires a bolt, so we were going to remove this one. This is how it should mount. See, if you got existing stud, you pull it out and then use a spacer in the bracket and bolt, screw it back in, and then use a bracket on the front. So we'll find out if it's that easy or not. Three fucking hands. It's funny because you watch YouTube and it bolts right on. People put it on so damn fast. My worry is that it's not going to clear, but I think it's going to. Oh yeah, there's plenty of room there. So now I want to pull this one out yet. Snug the rest of this down. I don't want to tighten it up just yet. I think that'll work just fine. Now I gotta drain the old one out. Alright, so I'm gonna try to take this off because this one's flared and the one on the new one is straight. And I'm gonna see if I can just swap them out so I don't have to buy a whole another line. I got it out, so let's hope. The one on here is the same, and of course you get it all on there and then you gotta take it all back apart and probably find out that it won't work. That'll be the fun part. So the only visual difference I can see is this one doesn't have the little groove in it, but everything else looks the same, so we're gonna try it. Just gonna put the pulley on it now. The other one was a press fit, and it didn't really fit too good. It's kind of loose and wobbly. And I always had a little flutter in my steering when I back up. So I'm kind of curious to know if this will take care of it. If I could get the damn thing on there. Which apparently I can't. It's got a Woodruff key in it. Damn thing keeps sliding out. Shit, or maybe I got it backwards. Fuck, I don't know. Shit, it almost looks tapered, but I'm not sure. Oh, you bitch. There we go. I don't think that's lined up. Looks like it's off a little bit. I don't know how the hell I'm supposed to put this nut on there with a fucking lock washer that big. I got like, I don't even have any thread to put the fucking nut on. Well, I'm gonna snug it down a little bit. Fucking. I don't think it's on all the way. Yeah, it's on all the way. But it doesn't fucking look straight, that's for sure. Sure shit like this. They try to fix the problem and then you get damn near the same shit you had before but brand new.